Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, January Boxycharm unboxing. Every time I do unboxing my monthly subscription beauty bags, it feels like Christmas to me. I'm so excited. I cannot wait to unbox my monthly subscription beauty bags. Alright everyone, let's go ahead and unbox my January Boxycharm. First, we got this paperwork Boxycharm. It's really cute paperwork. I like the paper this month, Fresh Start. And also on the back, they put all the product that we have on this month and also the price as well. So I'm really excited. So let's jump into the first one. The first one is this Pure 4-in-1 Tinted Moisturizer. Ooh, I'm excited with this one. I love this beauty brand. Actually, the foundation that I'm wearing right now is the same brand, Pure in One Love Your Selfie foundation. This is I'm using right now for my foundation. I love this foundation. Every time I film, this is the foundation I wear all the time. And also if I wanna take pictures, photo shoot or something, this is the foundation I wear all the time. So yeah, I'm really excited about this one, Pure in One Tinted Moisturizer. I think this is alright, it says a moisturizer, primer and foundation with SPF 20. So I'm really excited about this Pure in One. I love this beauty brand. This is one of my favorite beauty brand, especially when it comes to foundation. Alright, second is this Pharmacy. I'm new for this, and this is toner, and I'm really excited to start using it and add to my skincare routine. So yeah, it's a toner and really heavy. It's a nice packaging. Oh, I didn't notice that. That's why it's heavy. It's a glass container, so I'm really be careful of this one. I didn't notice that it's glass. Wow, it's glass. That's why it's heavy. No wonder it's heavy, because it's glass packaging. Third is the Trust Found Beauty lip gloss. I'm excited to use this one. For me, lip gloss add like a extra shimmer onto my lipstick if I put another layer lip gloss onto my lipstick, and also give my lips moisturize. And then fourth is this lip mask. Ooh, this is really important for me right now, especially right now it's winter here. Everything is dry. My hands is dry, my lips is dry, my skin is dry, my hair is dry. So this is perfect. So I cannot wait to try it on to my lips. It says lip mask, so I'm really excited about this one. I cannot wait. I'm gonna try it tonight before I go to bed. I'm gonna play with it, and then I'm excited already to try it on to my lips. So last one is this eyeshadow palette. Very cute packaging, green color, super nice eyeshadow palette. Very cute eyeshadow palette, and then the color is beautiful too. Really nice, different shade of eyeshadow. So I cannot wait to play with this, also to play onto my eyeshadow. So yeah, I cannot wait with this eyeshadow that I got for this month. There's so many nice color that I can play to my eyelid, and yeah, I cannot wait to play all of this beauty brand skincare that I got for this month. I'm so excited about this one, Pure in One Tinted Moisturizer. It says moisturizer, primer and foundation, and SPF 20. So I cannot wait for this. I'm really excited about this one. Yeah, again, this is the same brand, Pure in One Love Your Selfie foundation. I love this foundation. This is I use all the time onto my makeup. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I cannot wait to like play all of this beauty brand and skincare that I got for this month again, and I'm so excited. I'm gonna try it tonight, play with it, especially the lip mask. I cannot wait to play with it, and also the toner. So I gonna try it tonight. We'll see. I'll let you know if this is good. Toner, pharmacy. And actually I hear this is the good skincare brand too, pharmacy. Alright everyone, that's it for today's vlog. If you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to click the notification bell button so that you will notified every time I do upload a new video. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. And yeah, thank you so much for watching again everyone, and we'll see you on my next video. Bye.